呢度有，呢度都有。喺日常生活裏面，身邊總會有唔同嘅標誌，幫助我哋容易啲理解周圍嘅事物。你又有冇諗過呢啲標誌可以加強我哋對藥物嘅理解呢？通過喺藥物標籤上面加上清晰易明嘅圖標，我哋希望能夠幫助到長者提高佢哋用藥嘅依從性。
平時大家假如攞開一啲藥物嘅標籤咧，全部都係字，亦都啲字都好細啦。對於老人家嚟講咧，咁佢哋攞嘅藥嘅數量咧，少至可能6、7種，多至成10幾種。同一時間要睇咁多細緻嘅藥物標籤咧，係好有困難。所以我哋覺得就係對於啲老人家啦、照顧者嚟講，藥物圖標可以通過一啲圖示，令到佢更加有信心啦，同埋更容易咁樣咧去明白點樣用藥咯。
目前為止，我哋設計咗30個藥物圖標。除咗可以幫到長者唔使食藥估估下之外，藥物圖標同時亦都可以幫助到少數族裔社群，令到佢哋更加放心用藥。
To read the drug labels, it's very hard for my community. When patients go to the hospital or GOPC, they get some medicine. They cannot understand the English. Sometimes they even cannot read Urdu or Hindi language. We need to only write 1 + 1, something like that. For those kind of patients, these drug icons are very important and very helpful.
藥物圖標已經喺台灣同美國實施，嚟到香港，我哋以共享創意嘅形式推行，希望能夠廣泛應用喺本地診所、藥房，惠及更多嘅病人。
喺我哋設立藥物圖標嘅時候咧，已經訂立咗咧 Creative Commons 呢個概念去做啦，就希望可以大家一齊去共創呢樣嘢，一齊為咗呢個藥物圖標一齊去工作。其實我哋都希望藥物圖標可以有個願景，就好似手機上面用嘅 emoji 咁樣，呢個共同嘅語言可以令到喺跨地域上面都可以利用得到。